Let's talk about our house. You know, we want it smelling good. We want it smelling fresh. But I don't know if people think about everything you spray, what's in that and what's going into your body and on your body. Do you have a good eco-friendly option for that?
Yes, so let's talk about essential oils, which are extremely popular. Now, you want to be careful when you're sourcing essential oils because what's inside them, what are in the ingredients? This under $20 gadget, this is from GuruNanda, and I thought it was so cool because it plugs right into a wall outlet. And the hardest part is actually choosing which oil to use. I actually like to use the orange. It freshens up the kitchen. But what's great about them and why I wanted to highlight them is their sourcing. They use non-GMO seeds. They use 100% pure soil, and they farm from 138 different countries all across the globe. So it is tea tree in Australia. It is lemons in Italy, or it's peppermint right here in the US. They take their sourcing so seriously with their essential oils. So you are getting the purest of the pure. So go ahead and pop this little cartridge right into the gadget, and it'll emit within 100 feet in your home.
Wow.
You can even put it on a timer so it can actually emit throughout the day. But this has been so cool to just pop right in,
Yeah.
let it do its thing, and it smells amazing.
Easy. Now, Katie.